Okay, we're here at the Seaplane Pilots Association Corn Roast annual event here at AirVenture, and we're at the 70th AirVenture. It's been a hot day. It has been a really hot day, but it's been a good day. It's been going off without a hitch, and we do have the opportunity to talk with one of the key motivators here at the Seaplane Pilots Association, Steve McCaughey. Steve, can I have about 3 minutes of your time?
3 minutes? Are you kidding me? That's going to cost you some money.
More than I've already put in? Oh my God.
I'll tell you what, it's been a super hot day, but thankfully we have 18 kegs of ice cold beer. So I would say we're one of the best places to be at the show at the moment.
And I think that's why it's a sold out event.
Yes, it is.
Okay. So Steve, tell us a little bit about SPA as far as the association. How are you doing? Are you shrinking? Are you growing? What's your projections from SPA?
You see a big smile on my face, right?
I do.
It's doing pretty good.
Your wallet's kind of thin. Your wallet's really thin, Steve.
Yeah, it is.
Go.
So, Seaplane Pilots Association is the AOPA for seaplanes. So our objective is to protect and promote seaplane flying at every level, from local, state, and federal level. We also have scholarship programs. We do safety training. We work with the manufacturers, the insurance companies, and everyone out there, making sure that water flying is healthy as a community. And one of the ways we do that is having little events like this little intimate 750-person party here tonight.
Give that to me one more time, Steve. I heard a little bit of noise, aircraft music in the background. But what? How many?
750. It's 750 of our closest friends here at AirVenture.
Excellent. And you know, Steve, what's really interesting is that the Corn Roast, even though it is a sellout, there's more people that they want to come.
Yes.
They want to be here.
If we could accommodate 1,500 people, we would sell out of 1,500 people. It's amazing. The passion that people have for this particular event. If you have not been to #1 AirVenture, you need to do it. And #2, if you have not been to the SPA Corn Roast at AirVenture, you have not lived the true AirVenture experience.
And we'll do it. And again, if we're here and you're watching this, that means you're here too. In spirit, but not in body. But all right, Steve, I know you're a busy man. You got a lot to do, and it's come together really nice.
Thank
I
you.
want to compliment you on the spacing of your tables.
Oh, there you go. I might, someone very close to me might have had something to do with that.
How close to you?
Very close. So, Ben, thank you for all you do. Thank you for the time you give us, your support to the Seaplane Association. And again, guys, you haven't lived if you haven't been to AirVenture. And please, if you do come, buy your tickets early. Check out the Seaplane Pilots Association website at seaplanes.org. And make sure you have tickets early for this amazing event.
For Florida Aviation Network, I'm Ben Coleman, your anchor host. We're going to see you in the next interview.
Awesome.
See you.
Thank you.